Pry out the decorative covers for wheel nuts with a screwdriver. Loosen the axle shaft fixing nut. Loosen the wheel fixing nuts. Lift the vehicle. Unscrew the axle shaft fixing nut. Take out the axle shaft fixing nut gasket. Unscrew the wheel fixing nuts. Remove the wheels. Unscrew the brake caliper fixing bolts. Disengage the brake hose clip and remove the brake caliper. Remove the brake pad. Unscrew the brake caliper bracket bolt and remove the brake caliper bracket. Remove the brake disc. Remove the wheel speed sensor. Unscrew the lock nut of the coupling bolt between the front lower control arm ball joint and the knuckle. Tighten the screw of the ball joint separator with a wrench. Press out the power steering link bar ball joint from the knuckle. Unscrew the ball nuts of the power steering gear link bar and loosen the power steering gear link bar ball joint. Unscrew the lock nut of the coupling bolt between the front lower control arm ball joint and the knuckle and remove the bolt. Unscrew the fixing nut of the stabilizer bar link. Unscrew the lock nut of the coupling bolt between the knuckle and the shock absorber and remove the bolt. Remove the knuckle. Install the knuckle. Install the coupling bolt between the shock absorber and the knuckle. Tightening torque 100 plus minus 10 Nm. Install the coupling bolt between the front lower control arm ball joint and the knuckle. Tightening torque 120 plus minus 10 Nm. Install the ball nuts of the power steering gear link bar. Tightening torque 35 plus minus 3 Nm. Install the wheel speed sensor. Install the fixing nut of the stabilizer bar link. Tightening torque 35 plus minus 3 Nm. Install the brake disc. Install the brake caliper bracket. Tightening torque 85 plus minus 5 Nm. Install the brake pad. Install the brake caliper. Tightening torque 22 plus minus 1 Nm. Install the wheels. Install the wheel fixing nuts. Install the axle shaft nut. Tightening torque 270 plus minus 20 Nm. Tightening torque of the wheel nut 110 plus minus 10 Nm. Install the decorative covers for wheel fixing nuts. Note: align the four wheels after installation.